Digit World for the best technical advice.
We are living in the age where music has become more personal. Around 5 or 6 years ago, we had the big Sony and hi-fi systems and home theater system reigning our homes. But right now, it has become personal, and people are switching to more expensive headphones and even more expensive Bluetooth devices. And we have companies like Bose and JBL, which gives you premium quality sound for a very expensive amount. And we have a few good Indian companies entering the market with a very high quality devices for a very cheaper price. If you are looking for something which is not very hard on your pocket but which is very loud enough and which is value for money, I have a good suggestion for you. So right now we have here with us the Portronics sound drum. So Portronics is an Indian brand, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they are manufacturing everything in India. So what Portronics does is they go to China, they get the best components and get it assembled in India. And we have the Portronics sound drum, which is costing, let me see, the cover price here it is 2,499, but on offer days on Flipkart and on other online sites you may get it for somewhere around 1,600 rupees to 1,700 rupees. So for around less than 2,000 rupees, this is one of the best devices that you can get, and it is as comparable to some of the expensive Sony devices or even the JBL sound drums that we get, and that is the reason why we are recommending this device. So this is not very expensive compared to that, but gives you all the features that you need. So if you look at the box itself, we'll go through what's written on the box. So the specification as it's listed is version 2.2, and it is a 5 watt 2 into 5 watt output, and it is charged. It comes with a charger of 5 volt, and it has a built-in battery of 1800 mAh. That is as good as a mobile phone's battery, which essentially means that it can play songs for up to 6 to 7 hours. And nothing can beat the battery life of this device when you come to other devices in this price range. And it also has some of the other features, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Normally when you buy some kind of Bluetooth devices, they offer up to 6 months warranty, but this is a Indian device which comes with a 1-year warranty. And it's also listed the other features here. So it is wireless, obviously it's a Bluetooth device, and it also supports 3.5mm audio jack. So let's say if you want to directly connect your mobile phone other than a wired connection, you can always rely on your 3.5mm audio jack. And it also has a FM radio, and you need not connect in headphones or an antenna to get your FM radio activated. You can simply activate the FM radio by just a press of a button. And it has a USB mode, and it also has a built-in mic, so you can also use it as a speakerphone. Let's say you are doing a conference call and you want to listen to other people, or you want to do a group call with 5 members. This is the right thing to do. It has a built-in mic, and they also claim that it has a 6 to 7 hour playback time, and it has a very powerful bass. So it's written as powerful bass and clear voice. So it looks like a very interesting device for the price you are paying. So without wasting much time, we'll go ahead and unbox it and see how the device looks, and let's look at the build quality of this device as well. So when I'm unboxing it, the box welcomes me with a micro USB charger. So it does not come with an adapter, but it comes with a micro USB cable which you can connect to any of your mobile phone, or you can plug it into your laptop. And also it has a user manual attached to it. So let's see what is written in the user manual. It's a plain and basic user manual which will give you all the lot of graphical information over there to make things simpler for you. And the manual comes only in English. Sometimes you'll find in different other languages like Spanish and Chinese, but this manual, it's a very graphic manual, and it comes only in English. Okay. And now we have the device itself. And something else is also part of this package. Oh, it is a warranty card. Normally these days you don't see warranty card in gadgets and other mobile phones. Normally warranties are traded along with the bills and some kind of online registration. But surprisingly, this particular device comes with a physical warranty card. And let's see the device itself. Okay, the first impression is it's a bit heavy, which means that it has a real actual powerful battery inside. Normally if the Bluetooth devices are not, if you look at any Chinese Bluetooth speakers, it won't be that heavy, which means that it has a fake cheap battery. But this device is kind of weighing a bit. I feel that it's a bit heavy, which means that it has a really good 1800 mAh battery. And on the top we have a movable speaker, And on the side, this is where all the action happens. You have a USB port here, a aux cable, and a charging port. So, and you also have a LED notification light. So I think from the looks of it, and I'm not sure whether this is metal or plastic. It looks like metal. I'm not very sure whether it is plastic or metal, but what I can say is that it looks very sturdy, and it's not flimsy like other speakers. It is as good as the build quality is as good as any Sony or JBL that you get, and you also have tactile keys here, which blends very well into the design. So let me switch it on.
Power on.
Surprisingly, it is giving you a male voice. Normally, in whatever Bluetooth devices you switch it on, you normally hear a female voice. And I think it's the first time I'm hearing a male voice welcoming you to the device. And let's see how it works. So let me get rid of all the boxes and we'll come to the performance of the device. So everything counts, but if it does not have a really good voice and if it's not loud enough, this device won't be worthy enough. So what I'll quickly do is I'll pair it to my Android phone and let's see how the device connects. So it has been connected and it's showing the notification that the SoundRoom, it has 90% battery. So it is surprising to see that the device comes charged with 90% battery. And let's see. So I'll get into Amazon Music and try to play some songs. My first impression, it's pretty loud, and the speaker that you see here, it is actually moving just like a boombox or a woofer that you see. And you can actually see the speaker moving around, and the bass is crystal clear and it is really loud. So in my opinion, that is pretty loud, and let's try switching into some more options. So when you switch on it, it'll get into a different mode.
Power off.
Oh, that is a power button. So let me see how I can get into a different mode
Power
right now.
on. Bluetooth mode.
So right now it's in Bluetooth mode.
FM radio mode.
Okay. I'm still trying to figure out how to tune FM on this. Or maybe I'll have to get into the manual.
Power off.
So that was the FM that was playing here. So as you can see, the FM played flawlessly without any antenna or any connections to it. So I think if you're looking for a Indian product, not a Chinese product, but something in the range of around 1500 to 1700, this is the right thing for you. It costs very cheap and it functions phenomenally well. And there are no other competitors in the market in this price range. You can still opt for the expensive JBLs or Sonys or even Bose. But if you are looking for a cheaper option with a 1-year warranty, which is an Indian company, I think Portronics SoundRoom is a good option.
Gadget World for the best technical advice.